Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I use multiple Instagram accounts to book sharing Instagram posts to user. So here is my software that I use. So here you can see I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple Instagram accounts. So you can add your account in here and choose the account you want. And log in. So the software will manage each of you log in multiple accounts in the same time.
là tài khoản doanh nghiệp anh gần như là có điểm cái nội dung nhà sáng tạo nội dung số.
So you can see the software will auto open browser like this, and in Explorer you can zoom in and use this just like a normal browser. Okay, to share post Instagram inbox, you will go to viral marketing. So you can see I have many options in here like post article, post video reel, internet video reel, sitting post, this sitting image to auto like, auto comment to the post, to video that you want, or comment by hashtag, share the post, follow or unfollow. To share the post that you want, you need to choose share this post. So first I will set up the configuration. First is the number of threads. Number of threads it means number of account running in the same time. I will set up 5 account running in the same time. So number of number of posts each account will share. I will set up 1. And break the interval time between two actions. I will set up from 10 to 50 seconds. Next, you will need the link of the post you want to share. For example, this is a post that I want to share, so I will copy the link that I want and paste it here. And you can choose share by username list, and you will enter the username list in here, or you can share to the follower or following, and after share you can enter the content that you want. Next, I will select the account I want to share the post. Finally, I will press start and let the software do the work. And here you can see the software will auto open browser like this, and will share the post with the script that I already set up. Okay, so basically I should show you how I use multiple Instagram accounts to book sharing Instagram posts to user. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me to my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software. Thank you so much.